Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. Have you ever missed a perfect shot because your drone camera was pointing in the wrong direction while flying? A few days ago, DJI dropped a mysterious teaser on the internet. They did not show the actual drone in the video. They did not even mention its official name. The short video clip mostly focused on a very unique camera perspective. But that single visual clue was more than enough for people to figure out what DJI was hiding. With many recent leaks already floating around the internet, most people in the drone community quickly connected the dots. They knew exactly what kind of machine was coming. Now, DJI has followed up that mystery with another official teaser. This time, they have officially confirmed the name of the new product. The new drone is called the DJI Avata 360. This new teaser also carries a very bold and interesting tagline. The tagline says, "Above it all, see it all." This simple phrase perfectly describes the purpose of the new device. DJI directly describes this new drone as an 8K flagship 360-degree drone. This matches perfectly with what everyone expected this drone to be able to do. Instead of trying to frame your perfect shot while you are flying, this drone completely changes the rules of aerial video. It automatically captures the entire 360-degree environment around it all at the same time. This means you do not have to worry about panning or tilting the camera perfectly while dodging trees or moving objects. You just fly the drone through the space. Later, when you are editing your video on your computer or phone, you can easily reframe the perspective. You can choose exactly where the camera looks after the flight is already over. This lets creators choose the perfect shot depending on the specific action they want to show. It takes away the huge stress of being a perfect drone pilot and a perfect camera operator at the exact same time. There are also very exciting leaks about how the camera system actually works. Sources say the camera will be able to switch between a full 360-degree capture mode and a standard forward-facing view. This dual-mode feature could make the drone incredibly flexible for different users. If you just want to fly it like a normal fast FPV drone, you can use the forward view. If you want to capture everything for an immersive edit later, you switch to the 360 mode. It depends entirely on how you want to fly or record on any given day. Later on, DJI also officially confirmed the launch date for this new drone. The big official reveal is set for March 26th, so we are now just a couple of weeks away from seeing everything in full detail. With the massive amount of leaks and hints that have surfaced recently, it is very clear what is happening behind the scenes. It looks like DJI is now moving into the final marketing phase right before the official announcement. Based on all the information circulating so far, we have a very solid idea of the technical specifications. The DJI Avata 360 will come with amazing 8K 360-degree video recording. 8K resolution is extremely important for any 360 video. When you take a full 360 video and crop it down to a normal flat video for YouTube or TikTok, you always lose a lot of pixels. Starting with a massive 8K file ensures your final edited video still looks sharp and high quality. Along with this top-tier 8K recording mode, it will have additional lower resolution recording modes. This is a great feature if you want to save storage space on your memory card or save some battery life during casual flights. The leaks also talk a lot about the internal technology of the new drone. It is leaked to use DJI's latest O4 transmission system. The O4 system provides a very strong and clear live video feed from the drone straight to your screen. It gives you much better range and far less lag while you are flying at high speeds. There is also exciting talk about a possible 4G backup connection built into the drone. If you fly behind a thick building or a large hill and lose the normal radio signal, the 4G cellular network could step in to keep you connected. This makes flying much safer in difficult environments. Speaking of safety, the new drone will feature highly upgraded obstacle sensing technology. The rumors say it will use advanced LiDAR technology along with multiple other standard sensors. LiDAR uses invisible light lasers to quickly measure distances and build a highly accurate 3D map of the world around the drone. It works great even in low light conditions or when the drone is looking at thin objects like tree branches or power lines. This means the drone will be very smart at avoiding crashes and protecting your investment. You also get great compatibility with DJI's current line of flying gear. The Avata 360 is expected to work perfectly with the popular goggles N3. These goggles let you see exactly what the drone sees in real time. giving you a thrilling first-person view flying experience. The new drone will also work with the RC Motion 3. This is a special handheld controller that lets you fly the drone just by moving your wrist and hand. It feels very natural and makes flying super easy, even for total beginners. For professional pilots who still prefer traditional joysticks, the drone is also fully compatible with the standard RC2 controller. Pricing details have not been officially confirmed by DJI just yet. However, a well-known industry source named Jasper Ellens recently shared some very interesting product listings. These listings appeared early on a European web store by mistake. They give us a very rough idea of how DJI might price the entire Avata 360 lineup when it hits the market. According to those leaked store listings, the DJI Avata 360 drone alone, without any controllers or goggles included, could start at around €459. If you want more gear to go with it, there are several combo packages available. A standard FlyMore combo with the traditional RC2 controller is listed at €939. A FlyMore combo usually gives you extra batteries and a multi-charging hub so you can fly for a much longer time. There is also a Motion FlyMore combo listed. This specific package includes the RC Motion 3 hand controller and the immersive goggles N3. It is also shown at a price of €939. Then, for the ultimate flying setup, there is a premium combo. This top-tier package includes both the goggles N3 and the traditional RC2 controller. It is currently listed at €1159. The same European web listing also shows expected prices for some extra drone accessories. An extra intelligent flight battery might cost around €79. A replacement lens kit is listed for just €21. This cheap replacement lens kit is a massive relief for pilots. If you accidentally crash the drone and scratch the delicate camera lens, you can easily fix it yourself without spending a fortune or sending it back to DJI. Extra plastic propellers are listed for about €9. If those leaked store listings turn out to be completely accurate, the Avata 360 could end up being one of the most affordable ways for anyone to get into high-quality 360-degree aerial filming. This is especially true when you consider all the advanced sensing technology and software that is expected to come packed inside it. And according to even more reports from Jasper Ellens, we do not have to wait very long for more news. Another teaser or a full official trailer is expected to arrive on March 12th. This means we may get a much clearer look at the drone hardware itself or discover some additional hidden details very soon. For now, though, this is pretty much all the reliable information currently available to the public. We will keep closely tracking this drone as more updates show up online.